Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Today I want to show you a few simple, easy, and affordable ways to make your design unique in your home without having to spend a ton of money. They've done a great job at that here at the last vintage site at Vignettes, the brick and mortar event. And take a look behind me here and you can see there's a really cool mirror in the background. And that is a simple MDF framed mirror that has been routed out to give a really unique shape, and then some glass or mirror inlaid into it. So it's not a very expensive piece, but really becomes a showpiece in here. It's very beautiful. Also, we have our mural in the background, and you'll note that in the mural at the top there, we have a piece of ducting that runs through it from the HVAC venting, and that's something that they incorporated into the mural, which is a great way to kind of blend it in. What was once an eyesore now becomes part of the feature. The mural itself becomes a great focal point, and you need somebody creative in your life to obviously help out with that painting, but it's a great way to make that look like something special in the space. Also, the lighting in here is great. It really brings out a feeling of that 80s feeling. It's really fun and bright. These are kind of retro fixtures, and they weren't terribly expensive and do a great job at really making this space feel true to the design. Lastly, we have some great floor tile in here. That's a standard 12 by 24 tile. Our friend over at River City Tile, Aaron Brown, scored the tile to create a pattern in it, a cheap way to make that look like something really interesting. I wouldn't say easy, takes some skill to do that, but not an expensive tile product. So again, some quick, easy ways to make something look great in your design without breaking the bank. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations. This is The Art of Renovation.